This is the electric vacuum coffee canister or dry food storage canister. You can't put liquids in here, just for dry stuff. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. I'll just go over this real quick, show you what you get with this, and then I'll show you how easy it is to work. First off, this thing's made out of glass. I really like that. I'm not a fan of the plastic. It's got a nice silicone thing on the bottom here to keep it from sliding around or getting damaged, which I also think is great. I've got the 23.7 ounce model here. They also come in different sizes. Packaged very safely with this thick styrofoam protecting the glass. I like that. I don't know if everyone got one, but I got 2 different charging cables with this, and these cables are about a foot long. They are the magnetic type. They just magnetize on here. You can see the red light comes on to let me know that it's charging, and you also get a set of instructions with it, but it's pretty simple. Let me show you how this thing works and what I'm using it for. Another cool thing about this is that after I rinse it out, I can actually get my entire hand inside of here to dry it out. So you can see this in size comparison to, this is an 8-ounce jar of instant coffee, and this is a 7-ounce jar of Taster's Choice, which we're all familiar with. I like to keep my instant coffee on the counter anyway, so it's really easy for me to fill this up in here, and I can keep it fresh all the time. We've got a silicone seal around here, a vacuum pump that sits inside of here. Very simply, you just place the lid on here, press the button, and it vacuums the air out of here. Now, this particular jar, I've got it filled up to about almost the max, so it's not going to take very long at all. You can see the light showing you that it's working, and I'm done. Took about 5 seconds. The cool thing about this, in my opinion, is if the air starts to drain out of here, this motor will fire up on its own to continually pull the air out of here and keep the product inside of here fresh. I just think that's an awesome feature. And if you want to release the lid on your own, you just press this to the side. And you can see it pulls it out. Now it can get inside of there again. Super simple. And you can see once it's sealed up, that lid's not going anywhere. Now if I were to release the air from it like I just did, there, pulls it off. You can see it's got a place on here where you can put the date on here. I don't know, marker, I'm not sure. And you've got different measurements on here to tell you how many milliliters of product are in there. Great for dry goods, great for coffee, all that kind of stuff. Looks good on the kitchen counter. It's going to look good on a shelf too, pantry shelf. And it is made out of glass, very solid, and keeps your product fresh for 3 to 6 months a charge.